Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, you've probably seen a bunch of videos on how to improve video quality that weren't helpful. But this one is different, so make sure to watch it till the end. Before. After. Let's start the tutorial. Open Nafico app. Set the sharpen 100. Set the structure 90. Now save the video. Now open Wink app. Click on AI Repair, and then add your video. Do as I do. Now click on Auto, and then wait for it. Now save the video. Open a light motion and add your video. Go to Add Effect, and then click on Add Effect, and add Saturation Vibrance Effect. Set the saturation plus 19.0%. Click on Add Effect, and then add Gradient Overlay Effect. Color 1 white, and color to black. Now add Exposure Gamma Effect, and then increase it to 50. Click on Add Effect, and add Sharpen Effect. Finally, we are done. Don't forget to subscribe and like.